This thing's been quite a bit of a garage queen the past few weeks, and that's because it sort of broke down. Today we're going to revive it. I've been missing this car driving it. The smell of ethanol really gets me going, you know? Smell of ethanol in the morning. It's like a coffee almost. Got some new parts for it. The Chaser keeps killing batteries. It's so frustrating. So I picked myself up a new battery. Don't know if it's the right size, but we're going to throw it in. And also we got some hydraulic gas struts because they're like 20 years old, so they're failing. Oosh! It's so dirty in here. Oh man, doesn't even want to roll. Oh, come on. Tires are like flat spotted almost. Little trick for you guys. Oh yeah, that's so sketch. Bam, all right, let's give it a quick test. Oh, that's feeling way better. Yes, finally. All right, we're gonna change this battery out, get this thing ripping. Might put some tape over this overflow right here because Nathan poked this little hole. Oof. Oh, there's a lot of water in there, what the hell? Whoa, that's a lot of water. Surely it'll dry out going 300 kilometers an hour. I'm joking, by the way. Or am I? You will never know. It's been a while. Perfect. It's been a while, guys. All right, guys, we have accumulated a Lachlan. He is here in his Sylvia, and he's going to be following us through on the beach. So I was going to go to the Togue originally today, the Togue, but I decided that the weather's really nice. It's kind of beach worthy because it's Sunday and it's also really nice weather. Unfortunately, the roads are kind of busy, so we won't have too much freedom to open it up, but I'm going to do it anyway. We've got a GoPro mounted right next to the pod filter. I'm going to turn that on in a second, and I've also got a GoPro mounted on the back of the exhaust as well, so you'll be able to hear audio from both the exhaust and the front of the car. So should make for a pretty good video. Let's sync these things up. Nice Sylvia, bro.
Yeah, thanks.
Looks good. Nice Nardi. Where's mine?
Still on the way. On the way from Japan.
Yeah, I'm getting a Nardi too, guys.
You need one.
I do. I need one bad. Try not to be too close because it'll pick up your car. So don't be too close, all right? Oh, damn, she's idling low. What's going on here? There we go. some of the best weather we've had all year. It's been horrible because it's been La Nina. And I don't exactly know what that means, but apparently there's like some weird stuff happening on the right side of Australia. I don't know. And there's like clouds coming this way and stuff, bad weather. I have no idea, guys, but it just means that there's going to be a lot of rain.
So you slam on your brakes, that's why I slowed down. I
Yeah,
didn't even realize.
the sneaky boy right there.
Didn't even realize.
Very sneaky boy, yeah. Oh yeah, not bad, not bad. Can't complain. Someone's camping down there, very nice, very nice. Ah, that's better, that's more like it.
Did you need a bit of fuel?
Oh yeah, that's off because I'm getting something painted. All right, shout out JZX Parts AU. Damn, that's a much nicer view, huh? Oh, look at that booty. Your booty just doesn't hit the same, you know? Mine hits diff.
I beg to differ.
I don't know about that. I mean, it's pretty thick. It's got like some nice curves to it. Not bad.
You know,
I see.
you understand.
I understand. I get
A
it.
connoisseur of the rear ends, you understand.
I get it. Very thick. Alright guys, we came to another beach, but just like the other one, this is the better view. Chase is looking pretty tough at the moment with the dusty wheels. Lachlan's needs wheels bad, but we're gonna go and do another little run. So I'm gonna turn the GoPros on again. One on here, one on here. You watch my videos?
Hey, I watched your AU Falcon series.
Oh, mad.
Yeah, it was sick.
Oh, cheers.
I loved it. I didn't know you were in Melbourne.
Yeah,
I
Melbourne
watched you while I
YouTuber.
was living up in Brisbane.
What was your name?
Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex.
Sorry, dog.
It's all good. Yeah, I'll see you around.
Yeah, yeah.
See ya. That's awesome. I love it when you guys come up and say hello to me. He was an AE Falcon watcher though, so not too sure if he knew that I had this car. I guess he did because he said hello. Nice guy. so we got another subscriber over here. What's going on?
March. I don't know who to shout out.
Dude, that's a sick bike, man.
I do a skip for you.
Yeah, let's see it. Oh, here we go. Holy shit, they're gonna think it's me. I'm gonna take these cameras off the car. Nice meeting you, bro.
Yeah, nice seeing you.
Alright, well I hope you enjoyed that POV. The chase is pretty good at the moment. It's got no issues. It was having a problem with the fuel, which we rectified, we fixed. I didn't get that on camera, I don't think, but some of the wires were actually melted by the fuel pump. But if you guys want to help support the channel, bankyspec.com. Look at that T. Not too sure if you can see that from the back, but can you see that? I don't know. But yeah, we've got JZX100 t-shirts for sale if you guys want to help out, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. This was actually filmed quite a bit ago because, you know, we're preparing for Vlogmas. I'm sure this is going to go up during Vlogmas. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Catch ya.